as you are seeing over here, this is IKEA. So hello guys, welcome to my channel Gopi on the road. So right now I am in IKEA Bangalore. IKEA is a Swedish company, and first time it happened in Bangalore. Previously it happened in Mumbai, Hyderabad. So right now I'm here. First time I came. Today is 30 June, and before 1 week it opened over here. So right now we are going inside and check out. And Nagasandra is the nearest metro station of the IKEA Bangalore. So it's only a 20-meter away from the Nagasandra metro station, and IKEA is famous in all over the world. So let's go inside and check out how is it. So guys, if you like this video, so please hit like, share, subscribe and comment your reviews also, and press the bell notification so you will not miss any of my videos update. So let's go inside and check out. So guys, this is the way of entry. So we are going from here, and stores are there. More than 200 companies have participated here. So we are going inside. I'm so excited to go. Hope you are also. So let's go and join together. So right now I'm here. Here is the entry gate. So as you are seeing over here, so right now I'm inside of it, and they are saying the mask is mandatory, so must keep your mask with you. So don't forget to bring it. So it would be a really very great experience, and I'm feeling very happy to go inside. So let's go. So here is the checking place. When you enter over here, so they will check you. And here is the board as I am showing you. P2 level is over here. You are seeing over here all the information is mentioned over here as you are seeing. So here is the way of going. So let's go through the escalators. You are seeing over here, and here is the food facility. People are taking it, and you can pick it any food over here. There is a self-service, and the food you will pick on this tray. You have to carry it by your own self, as you are seeing over here. People are making a bill over here of the food. So we are going to check some of the food over here. So let's go. Over here is a food facility, and they are giving the food. You have to carry a tray with yourself, and this is the menu. As you are seeing, all of the food items are available over here. We are collecting the tray from here right now, and we are putting it into our tray. And here are the food. As you are seeing, the pastries, these cakes are over here, and these are the curds and salads, and these all are the Swedish salads as you are seeing. Here is the chicken wrap, and here this guy is serving the food, and this is the veggie balls. As you are seeing, looking very delicious. So guys, I picked up all this food. This is all the food. This is the good biscuit, and this is the veggie balls served with the salad also. And here are the glasses as you are seeing over here. We are coming here for the dining, and we are going to eat over here. This is looking really very delicious and tasty as you are seeing over here. So let's go and taste it. So guys, right now I'm just taste this food, and this is a platter over here, and this is a Swedish food. So first time I am eating it. So let's see how is the experience. And this is a platter, and this is a veg cookie. So let's eat this. This is a veggie ball. Yeah, good in taste. Yeah, very good. Yeah, like not much spicy, and the filling of corns over here and tomato. This is the veggie ball. Actually, I'm vegetarian, so that's why I ordered this. This is the food, and food is good. You can come over here and eat it, but the price is expensive. You can keep it cash. This is the store. So right now I'm inside the store as you are seeing over here, and here we are seeing the napkins over here. As you are seeing, the price is so costing per piece cost 169 rupees and 279 rupees. And here is the glasses spots over here. As you are seeing, these are the flower pots over here, and it costs 699 rupees. And it is already written over here. Very beautiful spot it is over here. These are the chairs over here. In golf white chair it is. It's looking really very beautiful as they are completely decorated. And you are seeing the price is 4950. As you are seeing, this is the tablecloth and it cost 1390, the price of it. And this chair cost 4950. As they decorated it in a really very beautiful way, as you are seeing. This is the complete store. Right now I'm inside the store and showing you the products inside it. You are saying this is the bed, and this blanket will cost you 2490 with 2 pillow cover cases. So guys, as you are seeing over here, this is a bed and we'll see the cost of this bed. And this is the bed sheet and it will cost around 3290. And here is the mat which will cost 5990. This is the bed sheet and it will cost 2490. You are seeing this is the table. The cost of it 2690, and you are seeing this complete table. And here is also the carpet. It will cost 5990, and this will cost around 3790. You are seeing this bed will only cost around 10,990. This complete bed. So hello guys, so right now I'm in the drawing room, so I'm going to show you its drawing room set. So let's go and check out its price. So here you are seeing, as this is a lamp bulb and it will cost around 749 rupees, a single lamp. And this is the table and this will cost 5990 rupees. As you are seeing, this is a wooden table and here is the facility of putting your stuff inside it. And here is the chair. This chair as you are seeing with the cushion, this chair will cost 3790 rupees. And right now I'm going to show you this sofa. As you are seeing, this price is 8990, and this is really very comfortable and relaxing, as you are seeing. And when you sit over here, it's really very good. And this cushion price will cost 799 rupees only, and this is a bit costly but it's good. As you are seeing, this is spongy and stuffy and it's really very comfortable. Here I'm showing you these pots and these platters, and this is the shelving unit Bagico, and this is a 1709. This full tray will cost around this. And this is the plates, just seeing this tiny plates, and this will cost 800 rupees, around 800 rupees. This is the lamp and it will cost 1790 rupees. And you're seeing this is really very beautiful. This lamp will cost 1090 rupees. Here is the big sofa and it will cost around 18,990. And this is the complete hall. As you are seeing, here are all the sofas over here. Here is the complete sofa sets over here. You are seeing here is the 3-seat sofa. This is really very big, comfortable. As you are seeing, this is a big hall and here you will get many varieties of sofa but with a different price range. As you are seeing, this will cost around 2,690. This table, and this will cost 1,000 rupees. This will cost 800 rupees. And here is the 3-seat section. And as you are seeing over here, this is the complete set, 34,000 rupees. Seeing over here, here is the footstool. These both are the similar stool, and these are the different stools. And it will cost 4,990 rupees. This two stool will cost around 6,490 rupees. This is a big hall and here you will get many varieties of sofa but with a different price range. And this is the side table which will cost around 7,990 rupees. This is the crockery set as you are seeing over here. Here is the plate. This will cost 59 rupees. Here is also the complete section of the crockeries as you are seeing over here. This 12-piece cutlery set will cost you 599 rupees as you are seeing over here. This is a full set. So guys, right now I'm inside the crockery store as you are seeing over here. These are the platter set, the crockery set, plates. These are the bowls are over here. And this is the roasted coffee beans, cost around 129 rupees. And here are the glasses. And as you are seeing, this is a complete jug store. This will cost around 1390, this big water jug, and this will cost around 1490 rupees. These all are not mentioned over here. All are the some comfortable cushions are over here. This will cost from 199 rupees per cushion. And here is the wine glasses. This will cost around 549 rupees. And you are seeing here is the table lamps are over here. They are fully decorated with it, and this will cost 1690, and this will cost 799 rupees, and this will cost 1490 rupees. Seeing this is the storage. This is the complete storage. This is really very big, as you are seeing. And chairs, table, chair, crockery, everything is packed over here. जो भी आइटम यहाँ पर अवेलेबल हैं उसकी बिलिंग यहाँ पर होती है. ये काउंटर है गाइस, यहाँ पर आपको हर चीज़ की फैसिलिटी मिल जाएगी. सो गाइस, दिस इज़ द काउंटर ओवर हियर एंड पीपल आर डूइंग द सेल्फ सर्विस. यू हैव टू मेक आउट द बिल बाय योर ओन सेल्फ. दिस इज़ रियली वेरी बिग लिफ्ट. First time I see this kind of lift over here only, and we are finally coming out. It's a big parking spot, as you are seeing. 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler parking is over here. So guys, today we explored this IKEA Bangalore, and we saw really very good things over here, like furniture, crockery sets, glasses, lot of things. Hope you really enjoyed it, and you feel really very great after watching this video. And this is the first time over here in Bangalore, so IKEA lounge over here. So hope guys you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, so do hit like, share, subscribe and comment your reviews also, and press the bell notification. Please hit my Instagram, the link in the description box. So stay tuned with me, keep traveling, keep exploring, stay tuned.